Hello, in this video we are going to study the union of sets and its properties. Now for two non-empty sets A and B, the set of all the elements which are present in A or B or both is called a union of the given sets, is called a union. So say for example, if you have A which is equal to say 1, 2, 3, 4, set B it is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, then the union of the two sets is written as A union B, and in this case it shall be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now remember one thing, whenever you're writing those elements you need to make sure that you're not repeating any element within the set. Now this definition also needs to be written mathematically. So mathematically we say for every x, this sign is of for every x which belongs to A union B, it implies and is implied by that either x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Now this is a very important definition, mathematical definition, and we need to make sure that we remember it this way. The reason being that later on when we come on to the prove that questions in my additional questions video, there we shall be using this. Now talking about the properties of union. Properties. The very first one being A union A is equal to A, and that's very obvious that if you take the union of two sets which are the same set, the answer is going to be the same, and we call this property as idempotent law. Now the second one which you had been doing for years, A union B is equal to B union A, and we call it commutative property. The third one is A union B union C, and that is equal to A union B union C, and we call it associative property. Then the fourth one we have is that if we take a union with the universal set, now we know whenever we take a union, the larger set is always the answer. So because universal set is a larger set, the answer shall be U, and for A union a null set, now in the case of a null set, A is the larger set, so the answer is A. Thank you for watching.